the moderators is actually a force to be reckoned with. Through the years, they have shown how it is to survive and overcome all of the challenges that have come to all of us. There's always a reason to thrive, and with the resilience that they have all shown to all of us, with all the skills that we have taught them, and also tried and testament ways for them to continue to do whatever it takes for them to be a better person, not only at work, but also in their personal lives. We are here to thrive. And for that, I'm very proud to be a part of Discord. As they say, andito tayo para sa isa't isa.
I'm truly thankful to be part of Moderator, where teamwork and pagkakaisa are the heart of everything that we do. Every day, we see how unity and collaboration help us overcome challenges and create opportunities. Together, we prove that teamwork makes the dream work by achieving amazing things through our shared efforts and support for each other. We are grateful to be part of this journey and for making TASA as a place where we can grow and succeed together. Hashtag andito tayo para sa isa't isa.
For the past few months, our campaign is really struggling with different kinds of challenges and issues. But here we are, standing very strong. We are working as one. We moderators are known to be very resilient when it comes to facing challenges. That's why we have the hashtag andito tayo para sa isa't isa.
So we wanted to have a song that tells the story of the moderators team for 2024. We wanted it to be very personal and would talk about what we have to go through. There are times when we almost lost the campaign. We reduced in headcount and had to redeploy people, and sadly just recently we had a team member who joined our creator, and it was really a very difficult time for everybody. But how we got through that, it was really teamwork, and that's something that we wanted to celebrate on the song. Talking about my favorite line on the song was, kaya pa, laban lang, marami pang pagsasamahan, and it's because it's the story of how this teamwork would make this team thrive even more for more and more years to come. And I'm very proud to share the story of the Moderators team for 2024. It's celebrating our teamwork. It's a love story for everybody from Moderators team. Andito tayo para sa isa't isa.
Lahat tayo dito ay nagkakaisa. Dito sa ating puso tayo'y magkakasama.
Maraming pinagdaanan pero tuloy ang laban. Ito lang patunay, lahat makakaya.
Kapit lang, kahit lang, wala sa ating maiiwan. Kaya pa, laban lang, marami pang pagsasama.
Ating ipadama, tayo'y magsalo-salo.
Moderators tayo, di basta-basta. Andito tayo para sa isa't isa.
Andito tayo para sa isa't isa. Oh, oh, oh. Andito tayo para sa isa't isa. Oh, oh, oh. Para sa isa't isa.
Sa pangangamba, hindi pa ang patangay. Tayo di magigiba, laging kapit kamay.
Marami mang nawala, di natin kontrola. Kahit napapaano, tayo ay pamilya. Kapit lang, tayo lang, wala sa ating maiiwan. Kaya pa, laban lang, marami pang pagsasama. Hanggang muli, ang
padama, tayong nagsalo-salo. Moderators tayo, hindi basta-basta. Andito tayo para sa isa't isa.
Sa pagtutulong-tulong at pagkakaisa, tayo'y babangat ng bangat, patuloy lang nagsisikap.
Kapit lang, kaya lang, wala sa ating maiiwan. Kaya po, laban lang, marami pang pagsasamahan.
Andito muli ang himala ng puso, at hindi pa naman tayo'y magsalo-salo. Moderators tayo, hindi basta-basta. Andito tayo para sa isa't isa. Andito tayo para sa isa't isa. Oh, oh, oh. Andito tayo para sa isa't isa. Oh, oh, oh. Para sa isa't isa.
Itong katali aming inaalay sa kapatid namin, maagang nawala ang buhay. Pasasalamat sa kanyang pagsisikap at tiyaga. Sa puso't isipan namin, ikaw ka talaga.
Oo, salamat sa mga namumuno. Di tayo pinabayaan, lagi lang nakatutok. Andito rin ang mga teammates na malalakas. Umaga hanggang gabi, sikap lagi pinapamalas.
Sa mga bagong dating at sa mga paparating, nasa tamang pamilya kayo pinasok magaling.
Nariyan din ang ating mga TL na di ka pababayaan, hindi pa papigil.
Pag-unlad mo dito mo matatamasa, dahil nandito tayo para sa isa't isa. Kapit lang, tayo lang, wala sa ating maiiwan.
Kaya pa, laban lang, marami pang pagsasamahan. Andito muli ang himala ng Pasko, ating ipatulad, tayo'y magsalo-salo. Moderators tayo, hindi basta-basta. Andito tayo para sa isa't isa.